Hello guys, how's it going? It's Daniel FX right here. In today's mentorship, I'm going to be teaching you guys about the ICT silver bullet. All you need to know about it. Before I start my explanation, please and please, I advise you to get a notebook. Get a notebook so you can understand every single thing I'll be explaining on this mentorship, on this video. So the first thing you need to do is get a pen and a biro. Please, I'm repeating it. Then I want you to write down 3:50 Nigerian time. For those of you who are on this mentorship, you are Nigerians. I want you to mark 3:50 p.m. Nigerian time. Then you mark 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Write it on a notebook. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then you write down buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. You write down 5 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. Then you also write down fair value gaps. So these are the tools you need for this strategy. So if you look at this chart very well, you can see I've marked out all of these things I'm talking about. First of all, 3:50 Nigerian time, which is 3:50 p.m. in the evening. You all you have to do is mark the buy side and sell side liquidity. That is the current buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. That is areas where you think the market might come and sweep liquidity. That is the most recent buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. So if you look at this chart, I marked the current buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. So 3 p.m., 3:50 p.m., 3:50. So mark these levels. So what you're going to be waiting for is one of these levels to be swept. Yes. So for you to catch this levels to be swept, you're going to be marking the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity in 5 minutes chart so you can see these levels, these key levels. Then you want to scroll down to the 1 minute time frame. So you want to scroll down to the 1 minute time frame. When you scroll down to the 1 minute time frame, you will be able to catch or see these liquidity sweeps. You will be able to see these levels whereby liquidity has been swept. So if you look at this chart, you see that the sell side liquidity was swept. There was a sell to the downside, taking out sell side liquidity. So the next thing you'll be waiting for from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Nigerian time, you'll be waiting for the market to leave fair value gap. Fair value gap. That is a possible reversal. You'll be waiting for a market structure shift. Just like you can see, there was a market structure shift. That is whereby in this situation, there was a close of a candlestick above a previous lower high, showing you that the market has changed structure. And you can see the market started buying. For those of you who trade smart money concept, they will be able to enter that trade from that level, but we are looking for fair value gaps. So you can see where the fair value gap started coming out, and we started having multiple fair value gaps, showing sure price pressure. So you can see those fair value gaps right there, and those are your entries. Those are the levels where you're going to be entering from. So you're going to be entering these fair value gaps. These fair value gaps must be left behind during this time period. Are you getting me? So there was fair value gaps, and you can see those entries, you can see those reversals into those fair value gaps. And this is your optimal trade entry. This is the ICT silver bullet. That window of opportunity from 3:50 to 5 p.m. in the evening Nigerian time. This is your opportunity to enter the market. That is the ICT silver bullet. That time of the day is when you're going to be catching this movement. So you can go to your charts and back test it. And I'm also open for any further questions. Thanks for watching.